This is a used 2009 Ford Flex, powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, a premium sound system, premium rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Babbitt Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 11 North Verdi Street, Flagstaff, Arizona 86002.